dare to face the toughest challenges? Join us to explore surprising heavy transport trips. Dangerous roads, harsh terrain, and giant machines will leave you in awe. Every trip is an exciting journey of discovery, where you will witness things you never thought of. Please like and subscribe to explore the mysterious world of heavy transport with us. Behold, the Hitachi 275, a steel monster, went into battle with the concrete silo. The impact of the demolition ball created a loud explosion, waking up the entire area. Dust covers, pieces of broken concrete fall like rain, painting a picture full of power and destruction. Watch as a giant semi-trailer truck soars through the air, defying gravity and creating a brilliant streak of light. The roar of the engine, each daring jump, is a confrontation between man and machine, overcoming the limits of speed and strength. The tragedy occurred when a boat carrying wood crashed in the middle of the ocean, causing thousands of precious blocks of wood and the ship to be submerged in the deep sea. The irresponsible actions of heavy truck drivers led to unexpectedly expensive consequences. These accidents are a wake-up call for everyone. Wow! Soon, the high-rise building disappeared under the powerful blows of the excavator. Oh my God! The excavator being rescued suddenly drifted straight into the abyss. A very dangerous situation. The rescue excavator broke its rope and suddenly lost control and plummeted into the abyss. The contrast between the giant track hoe and the tiny layer of mud is amazing. Humans have created powerful machines, but nature is always a formidable opponent. You are witnessing a majestic 139-yard rollover, a giant block of steel inverted, a powerful mechanical force. Under the bright sunlight, giant Caterpillar 992D and 992C wheel loaders move majestically, lifting shimmering ivory-white marble blocks off the surface. Each lift of the bucket is a symphony of power, creating a beautiful picture of harmony between nature and industry. With YILMAZKARDED SAN's automated unloading platform system. A. Revolutionize the quarrying industry. With the ability to lift and lower giant blocks of stone accurately and surprisingly quickly, what a terrible thing. Power every step of the way. Admire the extraordinary power when the giant dump truck conquers all roads, even the most dangerous curves. Talented driver, unbeatable truck. Don't forget to like and share to spread the power of this truck. After many hours of struggling with the thick mud, the machine was finally freed thanks to the powerful help of the tractor. Too bad. Roads clogged, rivers open. When the main road is blocked by hard rocks, can the trucks overcome the rushing water to complete the mission? Join us and accompany the most reckless driver on this challenging journey. Every second that passes is a minute of suspense. Every twist is a breathtaking action scene. Are you ready for an adventurous trip? The whole area was shaken by a loud explosion. A column of smoke and dust rose sky high, signaling a serious silo explosion at Vordingborg. This incident not only caused material damage, but was also a painful reminder of the importance of safety during the use of explosive. See, a Kamaz is trying its best to overcome the melting ice. Traveling with us on steep mountain passes, shifting into first gear for a heavy truck is a risky task. Every step on the clutch, every shift into gear requires precise calculation and quick reflexes from the driver. In February 2017, the iconic Rollet water tower that survived the 2015 tornadoes was demolished because of deterioration and insecurity. In the middle of the majestic Kangaroa forest on the volcanic plateau of New Zealand's North Island, the legendary Vern Higgins and the new Mack Titan are conquering all challenges. The combination of human skill and the power of this machine is impressive. Can you feel it? When trying to pull a low-floor truck up a slope, the HD tractor became unbalanced due to the entire load pressing on the fifth wheel, causing the front of the tractor to lift up, causing the transport combination to fall into a very steep downhill situation. Danger. Oh no! Using too much force causes this car to have serious problems. Breathtaking. The giant wind turbine is like an iron and steel monster hanging on a steep cliff. Even a small mistake can cause unpredictable consequences. The image of the mighty Scania pulling a nearly 100-ton electric drilling rig on the dangerous mountain passes of Peru has become an impressive film, affirming the power and precision of haul trucking. Unexpected. Think you've seen it all? Look, B, a T2 is challenging all limits of technology. On icy lands, amidst heavy snowfall, B, a T2 still leisurely advances. This machine is not only a fighting vehicle, but it is also an artistic masterpiece of Soviet engineers. Can't believe my eyes. When the road train crashes into the river, water shoots high like in action movies. Feeling both scared and overwhelmed by the power of this car. Sometimes, the delivery process contains unpredictable dangers, and today is actually a day with no luck for him. Watch as the giant Caterpillar 385C excavator is transported on Fausola's Heavy Transport's Goldhofer trailer. To get this giant excavator to its destination, the transport team had to navigate sharp turns and even drive under bridges, a real challenge. With the perfect combination of the power of the heavy truck and the sophistication in every operation, every difficulty seemed to be easily overcome. Wow, a professional act of dodging disaster like a dance makes it look like a walk in the park. What is this brother really thinking? The delivery of the giant Caterpillar 793F dump truck to Sayat Pavara was an impressive sight, with the convoy moving like a sturdy giant, carrying two massive loads and the dump truck pulling a giant elephant ear. The perfect loading technique left onlookers in awe, a marvel of technology and top-notch transportation skills. Discover the incredible power of the Nuke Boom Super Wing Carrier in this 57.5M wing blade transport video that has been viewed over 100 million times. Don't forget to leave a #1 comment to join McFaddians in this epic journey, an event not to be missed. A huge convoy of trucks has just appeared in Cape Town, looking tattered as if they have just been through a difficult journey through the wilderness. The cargo on the trucks hastily covered, looking as if they have just escaped a sandstorm. Although covered in dirt and scratches, the convoy